Hi everyone, today we're looking at something a little different. It's a 2011 Subaru WRX STI with just 89,000 kilometers. It's not normally something we would stock here, being a European dealer, but this one we couldn't refuse due to the low kilometers and just the overall condition of the vehicle. As you can see, it's got some tasteful modifications, including the alloy wheels. Has BC Racing coilovers all around, some aftermarket headlights, tyres with plenty of tread left, probably around 7 or 8 30 seconds. Just pop the hood quickly. We have a Cobb air intake. There's an aftermarket blow-off valve, just to name a few modifications, and a lot of dress up as well with all the matching caps in red. Yeah, looks super nice. As we look on the inside, pretty standard STI. We have a Cobb included with this vehicle. Interior is in great shape. Again, very low kilometers, so that's to be expected. Inside's pretty standard. There is just some carbon fiber added onto the center console here and here, but otherwise, just your standard STI. You have your heated seats down there, and as you can see, just over 89,000 kilometers on this one. Rear seats again in excellent shape, just been fully shampooed as well. We're not too sure on the full extent of all the modifications, but obviously, as you can tell, you have a full exhaust system. Extreme not too sure. Rear tail lights obviously are aftermarket. Give it a really nice modernized look. We have this carbon fiber trim here as well. In the trunk we do have the stock suspension, which will be included. We'll go ahead and give it some revs here. Lovely sounding exhaust. But again, it's very hard to find these older STIs in this good a condition and with this lower mileage. This one's now fully inspected and market certified. You can find more information, including the price, at auto-market.ca.